Happy Friday, everyone. Vitai Dubin is here. Welcome to another episode of today's in Crypto Show. And the market starts to realize that the dip they're waiting for is not coming. And I'm actually going to show you some information that we might be heading higher much sooner than we expect. And the dip is not actually coming. So let's take a look at the market. We are in the green today. A lot of the coins are in the plus double digits today. And looking at Bitcoin, it is trading at $97,000 right now. It's actually broken towards the upside right here, and it's not showing any signs of slowing down. So we are looking at the fourth week after the price discovery of Bitcoin. That is what's happened right now after we broke before the previous all-time high. And I'm going to show you a proof that never after breaking the cycle for Bitcoin going to the price discovery, it's actually come back to the previous level. So right now we violently break just per the schedule towards the $99,000, and we are slowly ending 2 days for the week. And look at this. We didn't see the correction. It was an 8.73% that was eaten up by the bulls. So this chart looks very, very bullish, and we might be very close to breaking $100,000 and going to the upside. So what I wanted to show you guys is the halving cycles theory. So there is a season for when you are purchasing and when you are selling. So you can see the dots, November 28 right here, which is the 2012, 2016, 2020. It's a 4-year cycle. So you can see where we are right now. After this pink dot over here, we are entering into the expansion phase, right? When we'll take this year, the red year starts. You can see it means that the most bullish parts, the most exciting parts of the bull market is actually for the next 12 months. So I'm very excited. I'm anticipating a huge expansion in this cycle, and the altcoins are about to fly. This is where entering this next phase, this next 12 months are going to be very, very crucial. So the moment in time when it's time to sell is not right now. And I wanted to warn you, okay? Because this psychology of trying to time the market in this bullishness phase and trying to catch the dips, like trying to catch the dips and getting out of the market into the cash and trying to catch the dips, you're risking to have the most explosive moves in this bullish market. You might blink it, and then your psychology is going to be you're trying to chase this market, because in the bullish market, the dips that are happening are short dips, and they're eaten up very, very aggressively. This is the phase of the market that we are right now. If you look at the monthly on the RSI, we're right now in an expansive mode. If you look at the stochastic RSI, we are trending on the upside. And this is the parts where you don't want to be bearish. And I actually, I said in a couple previous videos that I might be, taking some profits on the positions and the market can go down. I want to show you some things. First of all, waiting for the retest of the prior cycle high to buy after breaking to new all-time high didn't ever work for Bitcoin. Actually, no. Real breakouts, breakdowns do not retest anytime soon. And by anytime soon means maybe after a year and a half. You might see this retest of $73,000 level. Very, very important level. So yeah, it is this expensive phase. Now, you can see the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, is keep like breaking to new highs over here. Historical Bitcoin pricing on Thanksgiving Day. We should be very, very thankful for for Bitcoin. Look, from $12 to $95,000, pretty remarkable. And we still have an extreme greed in the market right now. And looking at the funding rate heat map, we are not in the greedy phase. When we started this correction in March, you can see there was across the board, it was like yellow and orange phase. And what it means is that it actually a lot of leverage on the market. And there is a lot of leverage, like you pay a lot of money basically to hold the long positions, then people start to realize their gains. And that's what we saw in March and April and May, and we start to go and dipping and going down for the Bitcoin and the other altcoins. But we are in the green right now. I don't see any like exaggeration over here. So we are still like in a normal phase, even though Bitcoin miners overpaid. Like the miner profit loss sustainability metric hit extremely overpaid levels. But I'm gonna show you this. The average mining cost for mining one Bitcoin is $90,524. So if we're gonna dip, we are usually, you can see in this graph, like we rarely go below the Bitcoin average mining cost to mine Bitcoin. So we already dipped to $90,500. So that's why I do not see that Bitcoin is gonna go below in this bull market at $90,500. We already did this dip. So I'm switching back my bullish hat and going all in, buying aggressively the altcoins. So you can see over here, November 2020, Bitcoin started at $13,500, surged to $19,500, which is a 43% move in 23 days, then dropped to $16,200, a 17%, consolidated and broke $20,000 in December. In November 2024, Bitcoin started at $69,000, surged to $99,750, which is a 44% move in 23 days. Dropped to $91,000, consolidated, and broke $100,000 in December. Very highly likely that this is the case. Now, if you look at the USDT dominance, what we are seeing right now is it gets in a tricky level. So when this goes down, when USDT dominance goes down, the market is obviously going up because people are taking their USDT and they're buying the altcoins. And when it goes up in this direction, then the market drops. So what we do want to see right now is we do want to see this goes down, the USDT dominance, to hit the next level over here. It's gonna be a crazy good move because we're coming back to retest it. Now this is a crucial level. If we will gonna be supported over here and USD dominance will go the other direction, well, we're gonna experience the dip in this case, okay? But what I want to show you over here, no, not this one. I want to show you something that actually this is the fourth week of the expensive move. The fourth week of this expensive move. So it basically means that we are too early for the big correction. So November, December should be a very bullish month. So I would not risk it right now to get in and out of the position to try to catch the dip. No, it's not gonna be worth it because the Bitcoin dominance. Look at this. At the 12 months, there is 1 year that the Bitcoin dominance goes down. It was 2017, it was 2021, and now 2025. We expect the Bitcoin dominance to go down a lot, and that means one thing: the altcoins are gonna boom. So right now it's not the time to sell your altcoins, it's time to buy more, to accumulate more. You can see the others is breaking out from this trend line, everything excluding the top 10. If you draw this trend line, it's actually breaking breaking out over here on a monthly level. Um, and yeah, week 4 in price discovery is slowly coming to an end. This 8.5% dip isn't a price discovery correction. Price discovery corrections tend to begin between week 6 and week 8 and can be minus 25 to 35% dip, sometimes even minus 40% if 2017 is any indication. Okay. So overall, what I want to conclude over here at the state of the market right now, the state of the market is very bullish, and you can blink an eye and Bitcoin is going to hit $100,000 once again. Actually gonna break $100,000 and go to a new all-time high discovery in the months of December. Um, the last 4 years ago, November, December were super bullish, and 4 years before that they were super bullish. So right now it's just too risky. It's just too risky to get out of the market. So yeah, that's what I want to share with you today, guys. Be careful over there. Don't try to time the market. Be more smart. Don't use excessive leverage. Just buy the spot. And if we're gonna see the dip, well, you just aggressively buy more. You just aggressively buy more. So want to stay up to date with what I'm doing in crypto. Join the crypto updates Telegram channel that you can see in the description of the video. I want to say thank you so much for watching. You have a blessed Friday, and I will see you in the next video.